Hello students, we have already learned few types of transformation in our previous video. In this video, we will learn some more types. So let's start. In this transformation part 2, we will learn the topics. First, interchange of assertive and interrogative sentences. Second, interchange of assertive and exclamatory sentences. And third, interchange of sentences, simple, compound, complex. Let's start with the first topic, interchange of assertives and interrogative sentences. Let us understand first what is an assertive sentence. A sentence that states or declares something. Second point is a full stop is placed at the end of it. For example, he never tells a lie. Let's understand the next thing. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is when someone asks a question. That means a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. For example, did the girl open the door? And we are going to put question mark. Let's keep in mind some important points while making changes in the assertive and interrogative sentences. When the assertive sentence is in negative, the interrogative sentence becomes positive. For example, we are not going to submit this like this. Are we going to submit like this? Question mark. Second one, when assertive sentence is in the positive, the interrogative sentence becomes negative. For example, blood is thicker than water. Is not blood thicker than water? Question mark. Now our next topic is interchange of assertives and exclamatory sentences. Let us understand first what is an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence that states or declares something. Full stop is compulsory to put at the end of it. For example, he never tells a lie. Now let us understand what is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence, a sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling, is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, what a clever girl you are. Don't forget to put an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Let us keep it some important points in our mind. First, while making changes in the assertive and the exclamatory sentences, when it is very sad is used in the assertive sentence, then in the exclamatory sentence we use alas. When a or an article is used in the assertive sentence, we use what in exclamatory sentence. When a or an article is not used, we use how. And lastly, when we use I wish in the assertive sentence, then in the exclamatory sentence we use oh that. Let us understand these things with the help of few examples. First, alas, poor Neha is dead. His answer is, it is very sad that poor Neha is dead. Second, oh that I had the wings of a dove. Its assertive is, I wish I had the wings of a dove. Third is, it is a very sad news. Exclamatory sentences, what a sad news it is. Next is, it is very hot. Exclamatory sentence will be, how hot it is. Now let's start with the next topic, that is interchange of sentences, simple, compound and complex. First, let us understand what are simple sentences. A sentence with only one subject and one predicate is called a simple sentence. For example, on seeing you, I was happy. An honest man is loved by all. Next is compound sentence. In the compound sentence, a sentence which consists of two or more coordinating conjunctions is called a compound sentence. For example, work hard or you will fail. I got the book from the shop and read it and enjoyed it. Let us understand the next point, that is complex sentences. A sentence which consists of one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. That is called a complex sentence. Let us understand a few examples. First example is, we returned when the sun set. I know that she has departed. So children, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि सिंपल कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स का कन्वर्जन किस तरीके से कन्वर्ट किया जाए सिंपल कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस को. सो थैंक यू. Stay safe, stay healthy. Meet you soon in the next video. Goodbye.